Hi everyone, my name is Ieva Bereisaite. I am a mindset coach for women. Today, we are going to be using EFT tapping to tap away anxiety. Now, as a disclaimer, I am not a licensed therapist. However, I do use EFT tapping almost every day to help me heal with negative emotion, fears, and energetic blockages, or when it really comes down to releasing unwanted emotions. EFT tapping is also known as emotional freedom technique. We will be tapping on the acupressure points to help us release blockages. All you simply have to do is repeat after me and tap on the points that I am tapping. So without further ado, let's begin. Also, I'm going to be looking at my script of what I have prepared for this tapping, so you just follow along with me. Even though I feel anxious, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I am anxious, I choose to love and honor myself. Even though I feel anxiety creeping in, I choose to love and honor myself. I sometimes feel anxious all of a sudden and feel overwhelmed by my emotions. Even then, I choose to love and accept myself. Sometimes this feeling makes me feel anxious, and I feel worried and I tend to panic. Even then, I choose to love, honor, and accept myself. All this anxiety, all this stress, all the panic comes up every now and again. Sometimes it ruins my day, or it makes me overthink things. It's not always easy when I'm anxious. And I tend to feel misunderstood. I feel lonely sometimes. And I want to give up sometimes. I remind myself that it's just a feeling, but sometimes that still doesn't help. Anxiety sometimes robs me of my sleep. When things don't go my way, I start feeling worried and anxious. And sometimes I have 1,000 thoughts that just run through my head all day. And I feel overwhelmed by everything that I have to do. I sometimes create scenarios in my head of everything that could go wrong. And sometimes I feel drained. But right now I choose to let it go. I choose to let it all go. All the feelings of anxiety, all the feelings of nervousness, all this worry, I'm letting go of it now. And all the way back through my past, I'm letting go of the negativity. I'm letting go of the negative thoughts and all the fears and worry. I'm letting it go on a cellular level. Instead, I choose to trust myself. Releasing all that does not serve me. Healing all the wounds within me. And letting go of all resistance of goodness coming my way. I choose to love and honor myself. I'm clearing any leftover feelings of anxiety. Anything that might still unfold right now. I'm clearing all the worry. I'm clearing all the what ifs. I'm clearing the trauma that has caused the anxiety. I'm clearing anything that does not serve my highest good and the highest good of all around me. I choose peace instead. I choose trust instead. And I am planting the seed of peace within me. I deserve love and goodness. I am worthy of goodness. I am worthy of love. I choose to be happy. And trust myself. In body, mind, and spirit. Now take a deep breath and breathe for some seconds in and out. And whilst you breathe, let the release take place. Let all that negativity flow out. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel down below if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet. Also, if you want to work with me one-on-one, make sure you check out my website down below. I would love to help you when it comes down to everything mindset related, including anxiety, insecurities, lack of confidence, work on the subconscious mind, and so much more. You can check me out down below in the description section. You'll find a link there. And thank you so much for watching, and I wish you a beautiful week, and I cannot wait to see you next time. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Bye.